The Hero Xpulse 200 was launched at a time when a lot of Indians wanted to explore the country on two wheels. There was a growing demand for adventure touring motorcycles, but a majority of these bikes were quite expensive that made it difficult to own them. And this is where Hero MotoCorp saw an opportunity to carve a niche of its own, like how it had done with the Impulse. The company saw a big market for an affordable ADV, and that's when it gave life to this 200cc do-it-all machine. Luckily, we have one Hero Xpulse 200 in a long-term fleet that has already clocked around 10,000 kilometers. And we have done everything with it you can think of, from equipping it with a rally kit to munching long miles astride its saddle. During this long stint, the Xpulse has given us multiple reasons for why it is worth the money, and we tell you the top 5 of them. Since the Xpulse 200 is positioned as an entry-level ADV, it incorporates elements like long travel suspension, 21-inch spoke wheel at the front, high ground clearance and comfortable seating ergonomics. But it's worth mentioning that these aspects also make it a great motorcycle to ride in the city. The ample ground clearance and suspension travel means you have the ability to go over potholes without slowing down. Comfortable ergonomics means you can commute to work every single day. And then there's a wide handlebar that gives you a lot of leverage, something that helps you a lot while filtering through traffic. The Xpulse 200 is not just versatile, but it is also profoundly modern. The motorcycle comes equipped with a decently sized LCD instrument cluster that has Bluetooth connectivity. It pairs with your smartphone and provides incoming call alerts. At the same time, this GPS-enabled system also gives access to turn-by-turn navigation. Then there are other things like LED DRLs, an LED headlamp, and an LED tail lamp that make the bike look quite handsome. There's a USB charging point too, which can be accessed by removing the seat. Apart from being a modern and versatile machine, the Xpulse also comes with a lot of options to make it an even better off-roader. The company is offering a rally kit for those buyers who want to take things to a whole new level. So for approximately 40,000 rupees, you can soup up the bike with longer adjustable suspension, a better motocross-style seat, handlebar risers, a longer side stand and also knobby tires. These customization options not only make the bike more aspirational, but it also gives the buyer an opportunity to explore the world of rallying. Now, coming to the most important aspect about purchasing a bike, the price. And Hero MotoCorp has undoubtedly nailed it in this department. The Xpulse 200 is priced at Rs 1.2 lakh ex-showroom, making it a value for money motorcycle to buy. In fact, there are very few bikes currently on sale in the country that get this tag, considering the degree of price hike Indian motorcycles have received ever since the new safety and emission norms kicked in. There's no other two-wheeler brand in the country that has a sales and service network as strong as Hero MotoCorp, and that's a big point to consider while buying a motorcycle. As we know, it is extremely important to service our bike on a regular basis, and doing that becomes more convenient if we have an official service center close to our residency. The Hero Xpulse 200 is a bike that not only quenches your thirst for adventure, but it can also be an ideal everyday motorcycle. You can slide it, you can jump it, you can tour on it, and your daily commutes can also be taken care of. And getting such a great balance of fun and practicality is hard to find at this price point. Not to forget, the low service and spare part cost of Hero products make sure owning the Xpulse never becomes a burden on you.